Here's problem 3. Mandy is confused about this problem. How many equals 10 minus 3? Guess what? This can also be read as what equals 10 minus 3? Or 10 minus 3 is what? So really, you're trying to figure out 10 minus 3. You need to be her helper. You'll write 2 addition number sentences that might help her understand and solve it. Explain to Mandy using using words, pictures, or numbers too. So, Mandy is very confused about this problem right here. How many equals 10 minus 3? Remember, that can also be read as 10 minus 3 equals what? So let me write that off to the side. And remember, boys and girls, I'm helping you a lot today because it's a review, but tomorrow on your test, I can't do all this, okay? So make sure you're paying attention. Really, we're trying to figure out 10 minus 3 is what? But listen, that's not the only thing you have to do. You have to write 2, that's the number 2, addition number sentences to help her understand and solve it. So you've got to write 2 addition sentences to help solve that. Remember, addition is plus. So you're going to write an addition sentence that helps solve this problem here, okay? And then you're going to write another one because you need to have 2 addition sentences to help solve this problem. What I would also recommend doing is maybe when you know the answer, do a number bond because your number sentences should only have the numbers from your number bond. Think about the work that you did yesterday when you had a number bond and you wrote all 4 sentences. You should only be using the 3 numbers from that number bond and that number sentence to write those 2 addition sentences. Okay, so you're going to go to the next slide and you're going to show me how you can write 2 addition, 2 plus number sentences to solve 10 minus 3 equals how many? Great, good luck.